morning, class. Today we are going to study editing with Microsoft Word. Year 3, we studied how to type. Yes? Now in year 4, we are going to study how are we going to do editing in our Microsoft Word. Okay? So, our learning objectives for today are to use Microsoft Word to type and edit text. When I ask you to type a text, where do you type? In Microsoft Word, yes? To identify the main features of Word. And number 3, to follow the way to open an already saved file. These are our 3 objectives for today. Before we start our lesson, let's do a recall of our last class. What did we learn in our last class? We studied about Windows operating system. We studied fun with gadgets and Windows accessories. Fun with gadgets like, what do we have in fun with gadgets? Clock, puzzle quiz, calendar that comes on our desktop. Windows accessories like calculators, sticky notes, snipping tool. Yes? Okay, next. Vocabulary is word processor. What is word processor? Word processor is that you create. Create means you write something and then you edit it. You save it and then you print it. This is the simplest way to explain you. What is word processor? You write it, you edit it, you save it and you print it. Now, what is Microsoft Word or MS Word? Microsoft Word or MS Word is a popular word processing software. Used to create and edit text documents. It is a paper. It is like a paper in computer for you so that you can write, you can edit. You can write, you can edit. Word processing software is like a blank paper in front of you. When I ask you, take out your ICT books, you take out your ICT books to start writing in your copybooks, yes? Same way, when I ask you, come on class, type this text in Microsoft Word. When you open Microsoft Word document, it's a blank paper, yes? You will type in it. What is that? It's a word processing software so that you can type in it and then you can make changes, you can edit in it. It is a part of the Microsoft Office group of applications along with Excel and PowerPoint. Like Microsoft Paint, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, we have Microsoft Word. It is a part of Microsoft Office group of applications. Okay. It is developed by the Microsoft Corporation, one of the biggest software companies in the world. It is developed by Microsoft Corporation. Clear? Okay. What is a word processor? A word processor is a software that lets you create, edit, format and print documents. As I said to you, that you can write, you can edit, you can format, you can save, you can print. It's your choice what you want to do, how you want to type, what style you want to type, which size you want to type, what color you want to choose. You want to insert pictures or what? It's in your hand. You are writing in that word processing software. It's a paper in front of you on computer. Okay. What is editing? As we are studying on editing, let us know what is editing. Editing means to make changes in a document. What are those changes? We will learn in this chapter. Okay. Let us see the main features of editing. The main features of editing are inserting text, deleting text, copying and moving text, correcting spelling mistakes, correcting grammatical errors. These are the features of editing that we are going to study in this lesson. Again, inserting, deleting, copying and moving text, correcting spelling mistakes and grammatical errors. Now, if I need to open an existing Word file, where am I going to click? For example, you have been given a work to type. You type it, but the bell rings and I ask you to save it. You people save it and you go. In the next class, when you come again and I ask you, please open your previously saved file, how you will open it? You will click on File tab. In the open window, find your file and double click the file name to open it. Okay? Or the shortcut keys to open an existing file is Ctrl plus O. Okay? Now let me show you this in my Microsoft Word. I already made a file over here with Miss Samiha's name. I want to open it. How am I going to open it? This is my Microsoft Word. Yes? I'll go to File tab and I'll click on Open. It will open me this. Now it will ask me, where did you save it? Let me click on Browse. I remember I saved it on desktop. Desktop with my name. Maybe with my on desktop or no. Let me see. It was my Samiha. Yes, I can see it here. So what I will do, I will double click on it. So it will open for me this, my file, what I created. This is my file. This is the way how to open your existing file. And now I can start working on it again. Yes, I can start working on it again. After I'm done, I'll click on Save and it will be closed. Clear? Let's get back to our PowerPoint. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus O. Now, if I need to open a new document, how am I going to open my new document? Click File tab, then click on New, click on Blank Document and Create. And the shortcut key to open a new document is Ctrl plus N. Let me show you this also. Click on File, New, click on Blank Document. You will get a fresh new paper to work on it now. Clear? Or the shortcut key also, Ctrl plus N. Press the Ctrl plus N button. It will open for you new window. Clear? Okay, let's get back to our PowerPoint. So let us see, did we achieved our objectives today? To use Microsoft Word to type and edit text? Did we identify the features of Word? And did we follow the steps to open an already saved file? Yes, we studied these 3 things today. Now, for you to type and save, just go to open your Microsoft Word, type, my name is, whatever your name is, I am in class 4. Save that file. Save that file and close it. And then open that file again and see whether you can open it or no. Okay? Now, this was only an introduction to Microsoft Word today, that how are we going to do editing. You can go to online assignment in Classera. You can answer the questions on the same topic. I have created some 5 questions to you to answer of this question, of this topic. So please, after watching my PowerPoint, go to Classera and answer my questions. Okay? And still, please, if you have any questions, any doubt in your mind, just send me a message in Classera. I'm always there to help you out. Okay? In the next class, we will study more about editing. We will type and we will edit. Okay? Thank you so much.